My peoples, welcome back to another video with me. Hey. Anyway, as you saw by the title, today we're gonna be reacting to people's wildest confessions. This is a part two of reacting to people's wildest confessions. And I asked to my Instagram story yet again, if you don't know where I get this from, how can I tell Rico my whatever? Go to my Instagram at Rico Win You, follow me and be updated whenever I post on what or where or how or regarding a YouTube video. So yeah, go follow my Instagram. And away. I got the confessions here because as you always know, I don't have a backup phone. But yeah, like the video, subscribe. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers, bro. So subscribe. Yeah, just subscribe. Like, do it out of your heart, do it out of your soul, out of your toes, out of your hands. Like, it's just a click, bro. Just subscribe. But anyway, I don't want to take much of you guys' time. Let's get straight into your one's wildest confessions. I don't know why I did that face, but away. First up, I once had sex at school. Hafali boek. Even the book is shocked. Like guys, ik verstaan like when you on school, you want to experience and do a lot of bad things, but at school, I don't know. Maybe I'm the a boring bro, but I won't no. Gaat naar jou is tof. Is tof. Oma is tof. Is tof. Like, maar niet te. I hope no one quote you though. Next confession. One time, one time, me and my cousin played Popaishi, and then I put a water pipe in her bum. Let me read it again just to let it sink in. Once one yeah Rico. One time me and my cousin played Popaishi, and then I put a water pipe in her bum. Ze kom hier dat man stick it in a achterplaats. I don't know, bro. That is definitely a wild thing to do. And how how did she feel? That's what I want to know. How did she feel? Uh, was it a liquor experience? No. Yeah, that's all that I want to know. How did she feel? Benita. Anyway, on to the next, bro. Like, nah. I got hit at the back of the class while the teacher was sitting by his desk. Ik kan in Afrikaans type. It's alright, bro. Yo, we speak English. But you got hit in the back of the class while the fucking teacher was teaching. W's. That's what came to my mind. W's. Cause my bro, while the teacher is teaching, a girl was willing to put her mouth by the pot you pee in while the whole class was there. You a goat. Touch me. Nah, come here. Touch me. Goat. Nah, but that's wild though. That's wild. I'm imagining the class, the teacher teaching, and you here. Manita! But hey man. W bro, W. But guys, to the kids watching, I don't recommend it. Don't do it. You're gonna get in trouble. You're gonna get scores, and you're gonna look. Yeah, don't do it. Just don't do it. I used to find one of my teachers attractive. Now, guys, let's go on that topic. If you as a bro never had a crush on one of your teachers, either primary, high, whatever, then you're not the bro. Cause I remember on primary school, I had a crush on an assistant. On high school, it's nah, but mine is just assistants. But yeah, teachers always. But yeah, yo, you're giving me now of everything. But yeah, I also used to have a crush on a teacher that used to teach me. But H man, I hope she's doing well. But damn, that's relatable. That's relatable. I feel like that is relatable. I feel like okay, broesje, if you never had a crush on a teacher in your whole life, comment down so we can see who you are and so that we can tell you you're not the rechte bro. Cause there's no way. There's no way. I don't want to swear, man. It's a Friday. Anyway, let's move on to the next confession. Don't mind what I'm gonna say now, but I did play with the girl's cat under the table in grade 1. In grade 1? My bro, in grade 1, I had no idea what a female's private part, like, I didn't know I can touch it or whatever, cause, nah, grade 1 was just vibes. Just vibes. But that's from my perspective. Obviously, it seems like you were ahead of your time, sir, and that is a wild confession. I hope she was okay with it. I hope she knew what, like, hoe kan ik nou sê? Ik hoop sy weet wat aangegaan, cause otherwise you'll be catching a case, Gazi. But yeah, grade 1 is crazy, man. Under the table. I mean, we all were young, man. It's understandable. I'll let it slide, cause some of us young. Let's move on to the next. I lost my virginity on my parents' bed and I never washed the blankets out or sheets. I just left it. You, my sister or brother, I don't know if it's a bro or girl, are very, very, very brave. But if you think about it, your mother would seek a think that it's her and her husband's doings there. So that's why I think you were smart and dumb at the same time. I don't know which one though, but yeah. I don't know what I would have done because obviously I'm still a virgin. I need to experience that first. But I won't lose my virginity on my parents with. I want it to be memorable. Sinzai. As I said, Mark. But that is my opinion. Yeah, I hope your mother didn't move you when she found out that, okay, nah, maybe it isn't husband or whatever. Like, I hope they didn't move you. Let's move on, man. Once I went to my sneaky link's house. That's the first wrong move. Owens, if you have sneaky links, I hope you change your mindset, bro. Cause, nah, man, don't think so of yourself. Even if you a sneaky link, don't think that a quiet takey is okay for you to be a sneaky link, or makes it okay for you to be a sneaky link. But anyway, once I went to my sneaky link's house and his grandma came home. So window it was. Is reg. Is reg. Hoor vir my, is reg. Julle wil mos sneakelings hê en hy goed. En toe vang hulle jou amper toe moet jy nou uit die venster uitspring. Yeah, but that's crazy. I feel like no, man, that's if that was me, I would have said, "Hello, ma. Hello, Manita. I'm me, Yariko. Jump out of a window." No, I'll sit there as no klaar is. Ek gaan waar kyk as ek baby. Hulle het ons, they got us. Ek gaat nie uit die venster jump, ek is jammer. Ek weet ek is 'n bietjie dun, maar uit die venster, nee, ek dink te highly van myself as om, but as ek dink aan 'n sneaky link, Jericho. Fuck, ek sal sê, oma, ons lees net boek. I don't know. Let's move on. I cheated on my boyfriend with his brother. I feel like I hate cheaters, bro. But then again, I can't judge really, but ish, man. I cheated on my boyfriend with his brother. That makes it more crazier. Cause it's with his brother, nie as his friend or his brother. You say you go in the family. Laat ek vir jou kyk. Ja, nee, my kop skud. Not with his brother, man. Could have been with his friend or his friend or his friend. But I hope that brother did rasp you. Because you did rasp his brother. As I sin man. Let's move on. I had a crush on my ex's best friend. Oh, afang. Basically, let me explain. She was with the bro, but then she had a crush on the bro's best friend. Hy is 'n moeë tyd mos. Los die bro en vat sy beste vriend dan. Nou wil or I don't know, maybe she had a crush on the bro's best friend before they got together or after they got together. I'm not sure, but I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. I'm thinking of how I would be in that situation, man. If I have a crush on my girl's best friend, I would have left my girl and go. That's simple, bro. But aish, yeah, I fingered my cousin. You fingered your who? Cousin. Like as in your cousin. You played with your cousin. If I was a therapist, bro, I would have looked you in your face. I would have said, it's a normal. Huh? It's a normal. I understand, bro. Like maybe, like yeah, but your cousin, that's a no go. No, cousin, no. Al voel ze nou hoe, al is ze nou hoe en hy moet. As hy ooit by 'n niggie of 'n niefie kom, nee, is jou familie. Is jy jou partner vir daai goedie? Is jou familie. But hey man, it's just funny and crazy at the same time. I don't know how to react myself, laugh or myself, be like. But hey, let's move on, man. I once dated my cousin for 3 weeks, again with the cousins. Last video also, it's not cousins, it's your family. But wait, let me not. I once dated my cousin for 3 weeks and later on found out we were family after we almost did it. Okay, but I hear, wait, yeah, record relax. No, moet relax. I hear you. You almost did it, but because you most now didn't know, okay, it's your cousin. You only found out it was your cousin before you did it. I hear you. Luckily, you didn't do it, and that's the best part. 3 weeks is not long, but 3 weeks is long. But I imagine how you guys reacted when you guys found out now you were actually cousins. I sprayed bitch ass cheater on my friend's ex's car after he cheated on her with a grot. Fair play? Fair play? Guys, in the comments, is that fair play? Just comment fair play or no fair play, cause I get it's your friend, but it's not your boyfriend that did cheat on you. I think your friend should have done that, but for you being a good friend, you were the one that do it. So I greet you for being a good friend, but at the same time, I don't think that's your place. Or am I wrong, guys? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's my opinion. Yeah, that's not your place, but for being a good friend also, you did that. So, kwai, but also, kwai. Let's move on. We're moving on to the last two, guys. If you came to this far into the video, comment down what's your favorite part of the video. And give me a like on my video. It's like a button down the video, under the video. Like it's a like, you just click on that like and it will automatically tell me, nah, you like the video, so that I know, nah, you like my video, and then I can know, like, did you like the video? Kom maar die force. Let's get into the video, man. Aditai's bro's kind in front of him. Okay, let's take it into two perspectives. Right now, I'm the bro. Chase my girl. Yo. That's all I can say, yo. Because at the end of the day, you have to realize that's not your girl. She can try the bro just like that. That's not your girl. Move on. Weer aan. Enjoy your night. But if I'm thinking of that bro's perspective, I feel quiet. Because outside this man's girl in front of him and I can't actually do it. Like. But yeah, girls. Last one. I kissed my friend's boyfriend and they still together. Long story short, your fake friend and your friend is kakdom. Or maybe she didn't find out. Yariko dank. Maybe she didn't find out, but you also a kak friend for not telling her maybe nah. Okay, but I did say so and like but it's not deep though. Like I love you guys together. I did just chase him cause I did chase him. Like tell her, okay, nah, I did chase your bug. I don't think he's the one for you though, cause how can he just chase with me and I'm your friend and like you know the bro. Hy voel soos 'n goat nou. Hy voel soos hy bro. Want he chase you of his girlfriend and he's busy still with his girl. So you feel like a goat, but I feel like you should be a better friend and you could have told her. But anyway, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down what's your favorite. Oh fuck. Comment down what's your favorite part of the video. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. I would highly appreciate it. And share this video to your aunties, uncles, omas, opas, neefies, nuggies, broers, sisters, friends, all friends, even cousins. So, no! Send it. But anyway, I love you guys.